Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft and welcome to this short video which is a bit of an update really on the Bestway Hydroforce Oceana paddleboard, which is what I'm sat on now. If you haven't already seen the review I did on this, the initial review, then you might want to click on the link just up here or up here, I can never remember where it is, and that'll give you a bit more of an in-depth review of the paddleboard and my initial thoughts. We've been away in Cumbria on Bestway Lake this week and we've been on it nearly every day, and I just wanted to give you a bit of an update on it and what I thought of it. Initially I said it was a very stable board to stand up on and learn on, great for the kids. My daughter, she has been using the paddleboard a lot this week, and she managed to get from one side of Bestway Lake to the other and back again without falling off. It got quite choppy in the middle because of the wind. It's about 1 kilometre wide, so she did really well, and she coped very well with it, and that's all down to the stability of this board. It's a lot of the cheaper boards are only 4-inch thick. This one is 6-inch thick, and I think that makes a lot of difference. It makes it very buoyant and very stable in the water, which is great. So I would definitely recommend it for anybody who's got kids and they want a paddleboard to get started on. Then this one is absolutely perfect, and for the price, wow, I think they're about 245 quid at the moment. And that comes with your paddle, your split paddle, which you can take the handle piece off and you can fit another blade on the end. There's a seat that fits behind me, straps in. This is the footrest here, and you can just use it like a kayak. And my younger son, he's been using that just as the kayak, and absolutely loves it. And as regards inflating this thing, it does come with a pump. It's a manual pump, and that's a workout and a half. You get there eventually, but I invested in the electric 12-volt pump, where you just dial in the PSI, which is 15 on this one, and when it gets up to 15 PSI it just cuts off, so you can go away, get your wetsuit on while it's still inflating, and you know it's going to switch off at the right temperature, at the right PSI. So that's really good. That's definitely worth investing in as well. I think they're about between 50 and 60 quid, but definitely worth it. Definitely, I would pay that over and over again just for the convenience. What else can I say about the board? It's very durable. It's got a nice non-slip top to it for when you stood up, and it packs away reasonably small into its own little bag, and it's easy to carry around. But once this is inflated, it's so easy to carry. My lad, he's only 13, he's not that tall, and he can just grab the handle, pick it up, put it under his arm, and he can just about carry it down to the shore from our lodge that we're staying in. And yeah, he copes with that fine. But for an adult, it's easy. It's so light, it's unbelievable, and yet so sturdy. So I would definitely recommend it. Definitely watch the review that I did, my initial review, because that's definitely worth watching. I go into a bit more detail about the paddle and the board itself. So yeah, by all means watch that. And as always, not everything goes to plan. If at first you don't succeed, just fall in again. It's all about mastering, moving around the board. As yet, I haven't mastered it. Use the handle grip. Oh. Speed up. Back of the board. Spin it round. Whoa. Whoa. Whew. This is the only way to practice. Right, really going to try and tip the board up this time. Speed up, back of the board. Getting back on the board's relatively easy. You just use the handle to pull yourself up. Whew. Great fun. Doesn't get any easier when you get into your 50s. back to the middle. If you're thinking about getting one of these, the Bestway Hydro Force Oceana 10-foot board, 6 inch deep, 245 quid. Paddle and seat to use in kayak mode, an extra blade, over under the roof. Great value, great fun. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you're thinking of getting a paddleboard, definitely have a look at this one. I'll put a link down in the description. You can have a look at the actual specifications of the board and where to get it. But yeah, definitely recommend it. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is just here, or the one down below. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Right, well thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Just said that, haven't I?